Hi YouTube, Roseannya here. In this video, I will be showing you why I love the Bellinglee connector and why I use it for all of my radios. The Bellinglee connector is quite easy to assemble onto an RG6 cable and is designed to be easy to connect and disconnect in a way that it doesn't fall out by itself. I assemble it so that the middle pin bends to the side like this, so that it connects well into RCA sockets. Here's what it looks like on my Eton G3 using a 3.5mm to RCA adapter. It's just as simple with radios that have RCA inputs, much like this Sangean ATS803A. Lastly, it works perfect with an SMA adapter on any SDR like this AirSpy HF Plus Discovery. I just have to make sure that the pin goes into the center correctly and wiggle it until it goes all the way in. There's a nice lot of resistance, meaning that it certainly won't fall out. The simplicity, speed, buildability, and secure connection is why I love using the Bellinglee connector for my radios. I hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Till vi möttes igen. Ha det!